In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write stories with ChatGPT in a simple, easy-to-follow way, even if you've never used AI writing tools before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn a basic story idea into a full, detailed story, how to improve the quality with better prompts, and how to keep the story going until it sounds exactly how you want. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into it. The first step is to give ChatGPT a story idea. Open ChatGPT and start with something simple. You do not need a perfect prompt at the beginning. In fact, the easiest way to begin is just to give it a basic concept and let the AI build from there. For example, you could say, write a story about a boy who finds a hidden door, or create a horror story set in a forest. These simple prompts are enough to get started because ChatGPT can expand them into a full narrative. Now, if you want better results, the next step is to add more details. This is where your story starts to feel more specific and more interesting. You can improve the quality by including the genre, the length, and the characters you want in the story. For example, instead of saying just write a story, you could say write a short fantasy story with a brave girl and a dragon. That one sentence gives ChatGPT a much clearer direction. The more detail you add, the more control you have over the final story. You can also mention the tone you want. If you want the story to be mysterious, emotional, funny, dramatic, or scary, tell ChatGPT that too. You can ask for a short story or a long story, depending on your goal. If you want a children's story, a bedtime story, a YouTube narration, or even a creative writing exercise, you can include that in the prompt as well. The key is to guide ChatGPT like you are giving instructions to a writer. Once you send your prompt, ChatGPT will generate the story for you. This is where the real magic starts. But the first draft does not always have to be the final version. One of the best features of ChatGPT is that you can continue the story with follow-up prompts. If you like the direction but want more, simply say continue the story. If you want something more exciting, ask for a twist ending. If you want the plot to go in a different direction, tell ChatGPT exactly what to change. This is why ChatGPT is so useful for storytelling. You are not locked into one draft. You can keep improving and shaping the story until it matches your vision. For example, you might start with a brave girl and a dragon, then ask ChatGPT to add a mystery, then ask it to make the ending more emotional. Each prompt helps refine the story step by step. After that, you can edit and improve the story even further. If the story feels too plain, ask ChatGPT to make it more emotional. If you want characters to feel more realistic, ask it to add dialogue. If the language is too advanced, ask it to simplify the language. This is a great way to make the story fit your audience, whether you are writing for kids, teens, or adults. You can also ask ChatGPT to improve pacing, deepen the characters, or make the ending more powerful. For example, you could say, rewrite this story with more dialogue and a stronger ending. Or you could say, make the language simpler and more engaging. These small editing prompts can make a huge difference in the final result. The best part is that you do not need to be a professional writer to do this. ChatGPT makes the process much faster and easier, especially if you struggle with writer's block or do not know how to begin. Start with a simple idea, add helpful details, generate the story, and then keep improving it until it feels right. That is the easiest workflow for writing stories with ChatGPT. So to quickly recap, first give ChatGPT a simple story idea. Second, add details like genre, length, and characters. Third, generate the story and keep it going with prompts like continue the story or add a twist ending. And fourth, edit and improve it by asking for emotional depth, dialogue, or simpler language. If you follow those steps, you can create much better stories in a lot less time. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more ChatGPT writing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.